So on site at Long's Tire, got the tow pig up on the jack stands, the jacks. And these tires, we got them last year, the Hercules TT1s, and I think they did really good. I liked them enough where I got the same tire for the GMC, and the fronts wore very even. I had one tire that wore badly just because I didn't swap the get the alignment done soon enough. But these are about a year old, a little bit more than a year and a few months. Still have some life for them. I've got 20s that we're putting them on, and let's see where the new tires are here. There we go. Old tire. We're doing the 285 60 20s. They've got the special sidewall design there. You can pick which sidewall. Grant and I decided to do the more aggressive, kind of a claw on those sidewall. These are RT1s. That rain is right on schedule. But to me, exactly right. But to me, these really look like a the Nitto Ridge grapplers. So, but I think they're going to look good. Thankfully, the other wheels already had the 520s on there, so we could match it up on the, make sure they were going to work. Went ahead and did the new TPS sensors as well. There's some new wheels. I think these are like 2020s, so I think it's going to look nice. Same basic offset and everything, so it should look good. I'm excited to see it. Melissa told me I am the first one at Long's to get the new RT1s, so we'll see how they ride. Excited to check it out. Alright, Long's had me all set up with the tires. The sensors that we got off Amazon worked really well. Those were only about 30 bucks. I'm going to shut up here for a minute and let you see how quiet they are. Wow. Doing right under 30. They balanced out really well, and so that was cool. Like I said, no issues with the sensors. Let's see what else. We picked more of the claw design for the sidewall. That's a good idea, Hercules and TIS doing that double-sided sidewall to pick from. What else? Very quiet. Very quiet. Yeah, I think they're definitely more of like a going after ridge grapplers. I think the tires I had, the TT1s, needed a rotate and balance anyways because they were making a lot of roars and noises. So once we get to an open spot when it's not wet, we'll see. It's handling the water in these dips here in the gutters. Yeah, a lot of tread depth. We'll look at it once we get to a stop when it's dry, a little bit drier back at the house. Oh yeah, it just plows through that water, no issues. So I'm impressed so far. It was right under $1,300 installed, tax and everything. So a good value for that size of tire, 285 60s. I think they look decent on these wheels. I'm glad I didn't go any narrower. I think that would have looked weird. We'll back it in some more and maneuver it, but so far no issues with turning or U-turns or anything. Granted, I've driven it an hour or a mile, sorry. So we'll keep you posted on how that works. So far, impressed. We'll go through their Hercules' little pamphlet here eventually, but good so far. Okay, so here's a cool pamphlet we got with the tires. Spend $1,300 get a cool pamphlet. So anyways, here's tread design, sneak peek of the tires. So that's what I had on there before, the TT1s. TT1, yeah. Definitely like that tire. That's what's on that truck over there. Love them. Very, very quiet. I took these out to Orlando Speed World and they did really well. I was surprised. This tire, the RT1, should do even better. So there you go. Got the design. Like I said, once again, reminds me of the Nito Terra Grappler, I think, one of those. Anyways, 55,000 mile coverage. We'll see how that does. 45-day trial and workmanship and materials warranty. You get the two different tread designs there. I think both are pretty good. I went with this one. Looks more like a claw. Grant Sketchy Speed or Sketchy Made agreed. So I'm really impressed with this partnership Hercules has. You get all your sizes there. Obviously the site has all the information as well, which really helped me out. But let me get in the sun here. I almost wish I went a little bit wider, but this is the 2020 2500 wheel, and I like the 5 spokes. I thought better for this year of truck. This year, the 2014's had the 5-spoker, but this actually looks really good. I'm glad. I originally was going to black out the entire truck and with the grill, headlights, and everything, but just being the work truck needed to be. I'm glad we decided just to go ahead and leave all the chrome and go from there. But let's take a little bit closer look. They did real good in that heavy rain. Forgive the wheels, gotta wash those. But yeah, nice deep grooves there. So you kind of get, they're very similar. It reminds me of the crossover with the TG Maxes. And I'm really happy. Well, I love those tires. I'd keep buying those, but it's been a good reason. Those have been harder to find. It's been a good reason to try these RT1s. So by Hercules and TIS Off-Road. But yeah, I think it's going to do really well. Nice offset there too. A little bit of tire poke on the wheel, which I like. I think if I had gone the 295s, that might have been a nice. So in the future, we'll do that if we need to. You know, once you wash these wheels up, they should look really nice, but at least even dirty. But yeah, Ridge Grappler, that's what I was thinking of. Terra Grappler, Ridge Grappler, one of those from Nito. But yeah, I like the way it looks. A little meaty. I think it looks nice. I'm glad I went 285s instead of 275s. It looks kind of about the same width, honestly, as the 18s. But I like it. Yeah, so either way, we'll keep you how they run. This is the 6th of May 2025. I got a year out of the I've got them in the back there. I showed you that video clip already. They did really good. These are a little bit shorter on this truck. Nice width as well. But I think they're going to do good. I'm really Hercules decided to team up with TIS. There we go. And hopefully, there we go. I'm kind of in the video. Hopefully, we will get some more Hercules tires. We got 2 more to put onto the Buick eventually. Maybe Hercules will see this video and, you know, help me out with some more tires. Please, Hercules, I'm liking these tires. I've been buying your tires for, oh man, 6 years now, 7 years. That's the only brand of tires I bought is Hercules tires. So please, for trucks, cars, that's all I've bought. Please, please, please. But anyways, enough of that. Check out that cool sidewall. Oh, not me. Check out that cool sidewall. These are E-rated. What I had on here before was F-rated, so it was huge. Got the nice little RT1 there. TIS Off-Road. I think they'll be cool. Keep the alignment right. Keep them rotated and balanced. It's kind of tough with this vehicle because with what I'm doing with it, because you're doing a lot of U-turns or cul-de-sac turns, backing in, backing out. So they just, you know, last too long. The ones here in the GMC should last a lot longer. But yeah, my 2 trucks with TIS Hercules tires. Loving it. You should go get some for yourself. Thanks for watching.